me tell you something. Anytime you invite the wrong person to your table, you become the meal. You'd be surprised at how many people who know who you are and you don't know who you are. And so they're in your life, not because they love you, but because they're borrowing your influence. And they know that if people see them with you, then they'll assume that they are important too. But you need to surround yourself with people who are going in the same direction. People who have a prayer life. People who are not jealous when you win. Somebody who don't have to step over you to be seen when it's your opportunity to be seen. And you might not have them in your life right now, but just look to the person to your left and your right and say, can I count on you? Because Bishop told you earlier, he told you earlier to find you a neighbor who could help you. I want you to find out if you are with somebody who can help you. Tell your neighbor, like he said, I don't beg. I don't like to ask, but I do need you to help me do something over the next few minutes. Would you help me? Praise the Lord. That's all I need you to do.